Hey everybody, Joel with the Crypto Code. Hope you guys are doing well. I am in Florida at our house. We're getting some pavers installed, so I'm not in my usual studio. I'm about ready to go outside to go watch a rocket launch, but I wanted to talk about the rocket launch that happened today in the crypto markets and to give you a word of caution if you're wanting to chase this pump. Let's talk about it. Again, this is Joel with the Crypto Code. Guys, this is an important update, so make sure you pay attention. Before I get into the markets, I want to talk about WaveBot. If you've been following our channel and our strategies, I want to show you a set of WaveBots that I started 30 days ago. These are WaveBots that make profit no matter if the markets go up or down. I started with $2,000. I'm at about almost $5,000 in the last 30 days, and this is longing and shorting the market. So this is a WaveBot strategy that actually goes on what's called a derivatives exchange, and it longs and shorts the markets. So those of you that are Mastermind members, there's training inside the members on how to do this if you want to do this on a derivatives exchange. And by the way, congratulations on all the success stories everyone has been posting. You guys are amazing. And then again, in the Crypto Code, we don't care if the markets are up or down. We actually make money both directions, and we just make money on the volatility. We don't really care what the price of Bitcoin is, and it's a huge sigh of relief when that happens. Okay, guys, let's talk about something here. Oh, by the way, before I forget, if you want to check out what we're doing inside our program, go down the links in the description of this video. You'll see a link to our Telegram group, which is free, a Facebook group, which is free. We also have a workshop where you can check out our program, watch the workshop, see what we do. And just for checking that out and taking a quiz, I'm going to send you $10 in Bitcoin. In fact, tomorrow, I'm sending out a whole bunch of Bitcoin to people who have watched that workshop and taken the quiz. So if you guys want to do that, the link's down in the description. Alrighty, guys, those of you that are our Mastermind members, pay attention really close. I've got the TCC Trend Trading Dashboard loaded up. This is put into the members area a couple weeks ago. I want to talk about this really quick. I'm on a 4-hour chart. Now, as you can see, this morning, Bitcoin rocketed up very quickly from about, see here we are on today's Thursday. So from right in here, Bitcoin rocketed up from yesterday all the way up and then came up to 38,149. I've got this on the perpetuals contract on Bybit, so the price might be a little bit different, but basically we hit 38,000 and some change above that. Now that's pretty significant. So this is a very high, what's called resistance area. So I've had a lot of people asking me, should I be buying Bitcoin now? Should I be buying Bitcoin now? Listen, I'm not your financial advisor, but let me tell you this. Something I've learned a long time ago. Never chase a pump and never buy when things are rocketing up. This is the reason we have our trading dashboard. See this trading dashboard? I put this on a 1-day chart. See when we're in the red? See when we're in the red? This is our areas of potentially where it could be going down. When we're in the green, these are optimal buy times. See in the green here, optimal buy times. In the green, optimal buy times. When we're in the red, this is potentials of things to go down. Now, we have a kind of an interesting situation right now because there's a lot of hype right now with the Bitcoin ETFs. And a lot of this right here that you're seeing is a lot of the hype with the Bitcoin ETFs. And it's just the cycles of Bitcoin. Bitcoin will have these big pumps off of news events. But I want to caution everybody on something. News events like ETFs and that, historically, when these ETFs do get approved, that usually will mark a cycle or at least a temporary top in the market. And usually when these news events, the ETFs come out, that's usually when the markets dump. Leading up to these markets, we see a lot of pumping. So here we go. We are at what's called resistance, and you don't want to buy crypto at resistance. Only in rare times when things are really, really pumping and mooning and going up fast. Many times you can go in with some entries and take some quick profits. However, if you're in some nice profits right now, I would highly recommend that you take some profits off the table. Now, that depends what your strategy is. Maybe you're a long-term investor. See, we've been bullish since January, guys. Since December, we were buying when the TCC trend indicators started telling us to buy. Back in, here we go in, let's go back up here a little bit. This is on the 1-day chart. Back in November when we had FTX dump, buy. Back in December, buy, right in here, buy. And then we've also had our nice sell indicators. We've been swing trading this all the way up, We buy at support, we buy when the indicator tells us to, and we take our profits when our indicator tells us to take profits. Guys, it's an amazing strategy. If you want to learn how to use the TCC Trend Trading Dashboard or any of our strategies, go inside the members area. If you don't have an account with us yet, go watch the free workshop. We'll send you $10 in Bitcoin if you watch it and then take a quiz afterwards. I just want you to pay attention and learn what we're doing. So now we've got this flip in the markets. We busted above 32,000. That's a pretty significant mark right here, meaning that we are starting to flip into the narrative of going bullish. And now the cycles have changed. Now people who weren't interested in buying here when they should have been buying because they're all waiting for 12K are now finally interested in buying, and they're going to FOMO in. So what's going to happen from here? Well, there's a good chance we're going to see some pullbacks. And that's what always happens, especially if we get ETF news in the next 7 days or so, whether it fails or whether it goes through. That usually shows that you've got a local top or even a market cycle top on some of those. So most likely, could we go back up here a little bit higher? Probably. We're going to probably visit down, maybe even down to the 31K range, probably down to 32.8 or so. I can just see that right from the indicator itself. So depending on your trading strategy, guys, if you're a long-term trader buying right now, wait a couple years from now, you're probably going to do pretty good. However, I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research. Historically, Bitcoin hits these cycles, and we're probably going to go up to 90K or so. That's my kind of prediction if we're talking about predictions, but I just look at the numbers in the charts. Now, let me show you something cool with this TCC Trend Trading Dashboard. You can put this on smaller time frames. So here is a 4-hour time frame. Now, I love the 4-hour time frame for swing trading here because I can see that we got a strong sell signal today with that. Look what happens when we got another strong sell signal on the 4-hour chart. We went down. Nice buy signals here. Nice movements, guys. Just follow the support and resistance. Look for the buy sell signals and the sell signals. You want to buy when we're down into these long trade zones, in the long trade zones. You want to take profits when you're in the red zones and we have the strong trade cells, okay? Now, there is a little difference in here. You see these sell signals here, a lot of hype going through here right now. So, again, a lot of this can be hype. You can go down to a 1-hourly chart here and take a look. Strong sell signals here as well. And you can even, for you degens out there that want to do some quick scalp trading, you can go to a 15-minute chart. Now, I want to show you something kind of cool that we added to this chart just recently. Those of you in the Mastermind member, pay attention closely. This is inside your members area, guys. You guys have all access to these charts. These are the same charts that I've used to make thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars in crypto. We added the ability to see when the different markets around the world open. So for example, this is London. When London opens, many times you'll see volatility when the markets open and close. Here's when New York opens. This is when New York closes. You can see what happens, and this is when Asia. So Asia just opened right now. So this is really helpful to know when the different markets are here if you're a trader and you're looking at trading. Alrighty, guys, this is just one of our parts of our program, the TCC Trading Dashboard. If you want to learn how to trade crypto, either for the long term, the short term, you want to day trade, or if you want to do our wave bot strategies and not have to worry about markets going up or down and just take profits on the middle, then make sure you check out our workshop. If you're already a Mastermind member, guys, go into the members area and get started on the training. This is a perfect time to really get going in crypto. Again, if you're new, you don't know what we're doing, go into our Telegram group, go into the Facebook group, go watch our workshop. I'll send you $10 in Bitcoin just for checking it out. Guys, this is Joel with the Crypto Code. As always, take massive action in your life and anything you do. We'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye-bye.